Namaskar. Today we have to learn the next topic of probability. Today's our topic is conditional probability. The probability of occurrence of an event E when it is known that some event A has already occurred is called the conditional probability and is denoted by probability of E where A. It means that the probability of occurrence of an event is E. So event is E whose probability we want to find. But this event occur when any condition is given. It means event A is condition here. So it's denoted as probability of E where A. It means we have to find the probability of event A where A is condition. So we may read it as probability of E given is A. So in short we may say that probability of E where A. This symbol representing probability of E where A. It means the condition A is given and we may find the probability of an event E. So the formula is this: probability of E intersection A upon probability of A. It means we have to find E intersection A first and that after event A both probability we may find, and then by taking the ratio of both we may find easily conditional probability of any event A. To explain this formula, let us take one example. A pair of die is thrown. Pair of die is thrown. We know that in the case of pair of die there are 6 and 6. So 36 total outcomes we have. So these total 36 outcomes are here. Number of U, it means number of element in sample space 36. Our question is this: it is known that means given. It is known that the sum of the number is even. The sum of the number is even. This is given. Our question is this: then find the probability that the sum is less than 6. So what is condition? Condition is this: the sum of the number is even. So we may criticize here that when a die, two dice, it means a pair of die is thrown, then given condition is what? The sum of the number is even. So how many possible elements are there? 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. That after, suppose in the first die 1, then 1 1 1 3 1 5. So 1 1 1 3 1 5. Similarly in the first die if we get 2, then 2 2 2 plus 2 is 4. That after 2 plus 4 is 6, and that after 2 plus 6 is 8. So 2 2 2 4 2 6. Similarly the next outcomes are 3 1 3 3 3 5, because this sum is say even number. That after, similarly we may say that 4 2 4 4 4 6, 5 1 5 3 5 5, 6 2 6 4 and 6 6. It means that there are 18 number of elements are there. So this is our condition. Now event is what? That is our question. Find the probability that the sum is less than 6. So the sum is less than 6 is event. So let us see. The sum is even. So that is 1 and 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 is less than 6. Similarly 1 3. Then 1 plus 3 is also less than 6. 2 2. So 2 2 is also less than 6. 3 1 is less than 6. So this event is what? E intersection A. And there are 4 elements in this event. Now our question is probability of event E where any condition A is given. So it is very obvious that the formula is probability of E intersection A upon probability of A. In the case of E intersection A there are 4 elements. So probability of E intersection A, as per our formula of probability, that probability of any event is possible outcomes upon total outcomes in sample space. So 4 by 36, 18 by 36, 36 cancel, and finally we get 4 by 18, which is 2 by 9. So this is very simple result to find any conditional probability if it is given. Now there are 3 important results I mentioned here. Results on conditional probability. The first result is You may write it as a result because these are very important results. Probability of U where A is 1. U where A means probability of any sample space with respect to any event, any condition is 1. It means probability of U is always 1 with given any condition. Similarly, probability of phi where A is 0. It is very obvious, this is the proof of it. By the definition, we may say that probability of U where A means probability of U intersection A upon probability of A. But probability of U intersection A is P of A upon P of A, which is cancel. And the answer is 1. Probability of even union U2 where A. That can be written as probability of even where A plus probability of E2 where A minus probability of even intersection E2 where A. This is the simple formula, as we know that probability of union of two events. We know that is very easy. Probability of A union B, PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Similarly here, even union E2, then even plus E2 and minus even intersection E2. But here condition is given. Okay, here we mentioned that if even and E2 are mutually exclusive. Now we know the meaning of mutually exclusive event. That means that even intersection E2 is null set. So probability of null set means impossible event whose probability being 0. And so in that case, if even and E2 are mutually exclusive, then our formula is this. Probability of even union E2 where A is probability of even where A plus probability of E2 where A. This will be 0. Next result is probability of E dash where A. E dash, that means complementary event. So complementary event is this where any condition is A. Then again the result is very simple, 1 minus probability of E where A. This is very important result. Okay, I give proof by using this result. We know that probability of U where A is 1. Okay, U can be written as per set theorem result, E union U dash, E dash is U. And now this can be written as P of E where A plus P of E dash where A and minus P of E intersection E dash where A. But this result being 0, and so from this we may find the result probability of E dash where A. This term is going on that side, and so probability of E dash where A is 1 minus probability of E where A. So these are several results, important results also. This is the example. Now your today's homework is total exercise 7.1, which is given in your textbook. Sorry, 13.1, which is given in your textbook because the chapter number 13 is there. So 13.1 is depend on this conditional probability. So now you have to solve all the questions yourself, and if any question you cannot solve, then just tell me in WhatsApp or in Facebook. I will try to solve all of the remaining questions. Okay, hope all of you are safe.